Hi guys, it's the middle of winter, middle of February, and everybody's panicking because they haven't got the seeds out. It's way too early. If you're not paying for heat, light, extra fleece, greenhouses, things like that, then you're not going to keep anything alive. So stop. So a lot of people are out there panicking. I wouldn't. I just sow things just to something to do because I enjoy gardening. It's a hobby. I'm not saying it's the most productive way of organising things, but anyway, I've done some new staging in the greenhouse. I'm going to show you that, and various other little things I've been doing. I'll show you now. This is the staging in the greenhouse. I bought it for about 15 quid in a B&Q sale. It's a bargain. And so I've put big spaces. I haven't put all the slats in, big spaces, because I can be growing things like cucumbers through this. So in the late winter, early spring, this is going to be for seedlings, but then tomatoes and cucumbers and so on will be coming through. So it needs light as well as space. I don't want to cast too much shade. Anyway, so we've potted up some mammoth leeks here. 4 to they were broadcast into a pot to germinate and then potted up 4 to a pot. Charles Dowding style. They've got a couple of failures. That was a cutting of oregano. For some reason it wanted to die over the winter, and that is self-heal. It's like a medicinal herb stroke weed. We've got some cuttings done in winter, mind, and it's they're of white clover. So this would be for so I've got nice big plants to build fertility in the allotment. Some mustard, and we've got these they look a bit sorry at the moment, but these are leeks from pips. If you remember from last year, I showed you how to get pips from a leek seed head. Now they all, I neglected them in a pot. There was loads of them. They were in 4 pots, hundreds of them, and they got rust, and I threw them away. But I fished these out of the compost bin so I could continue to show you how to to go from pips to leek to harvest to pips to leek again. So so that's that. Here we've got my nectarine, which is, I bought it indoors so that I can protect the flowers, the blossoms, because they come out sort of late winter. So the buds are getting nice and big now, and things that get hit by frost. If they flower up, if they blossom in winter, they get hit by frost, which sort of reduces your fruit. So I brought it in the greenhouse to protect it. It's about 10 degrees in 10 degrees in here, so yes, it's definitely still winter, but this is a good day. We've got some of those peas that I sowed. These are golden. Oh God, was it? I've forgotten now, but it's a beautiful pea, Monge 2 pea, golden sweet. There's some over there as well. And we've got the some shallots growing on, and these here are my Ailsa Craig seedlings, which are an onion. They're doing very nicely, and I'm going to keep them here. What didn't do so nicely is my Shimonita spring onions. They're coming out, and I'm going to put some different spring onions in. A total failure that was. And we've got some garlic. I think these are early purple white. So starting them off in here, they'll be going in the allotment in a couple of weeks. So yeah. Oh, did I show you my new shelf? And this is again, this was on offer, 15 quid. another 15 quid bargain. And again, they're about 40 quid new. Yes, God knows what I'm going to put on it. Probably rubbish, but there it is. Anyway, that's the greenhouse. That's a Tahiti Lime. Let me show you the. I didn't grow it from seed. The reason you buy Tahiti Lime is because it's hardy. That's been out all winter in the cold next to my patio windows, and I bought it in because we've got fruit and I want to encourage fruit, and we've got flowers and they need a little bit of heat, so I brought it into the warmth. Where are you off to? What's going on there?